Once I give the question papers, I don't want anyone to talk in this examination hall. Am I clear? What's the answer for the first one? First one answer. Hey there, Joel here, and welcome to my channel Math World. And I'm sure you all must have probably in your exams have done this, asking for options for these fill in the blanks. And I don't want you to do this for your 10th standard board examination, and especially in math. And that's the reason let us solve these fill in the blanks. The first one is, if the given pair of linear equations 3x plus 2y minus k equals to 0 and 6x plus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0 has infinitely many solutions, then find the value of k. And the options are 2, 4, 8 and 16. So how do I solve this? If you remember, we were talking about infinitely many solution, which means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So we don't want to write all the conditions over here because the question only carries 1 mark. So I have taken 2 upon 4, that is b1 upon b2 equal to c1, which is minus k, upon c2, which is minus 8. Negative and negative gets cancelled. What remains is this 8 is taken on the other side, so 2 multiplied by 8 upon 4. Now I don't want you to do this mistake of multiplying these numbers and then dividing. Always keep it simple. Write the numbers first, see whatever you can cancel and then multiply. So here this would become 4 1 is 4 and 4 2 is 8. So 2 multiplied by 2, my correct answer is 4. You don't have to write all this. If you can do it in your head and get the answer right, that's it. Second one, if 3x plus 2y equals to 16 and 2x plus 3y equals to 19, then find x plus y. Options are minus 3, 3, 7, 35. Now in this case, whenever you are asked to find out x plus y, all I will do is, irrespective of what are the coefficients, I'll straight away add them. So I have written both these equations one below the other, keeping in mind the variables are exactly occupying the same space, and all I'm doing is adding them. So 3 plus 2 is 5x plus 3 plus 2 again 5y is equal to 16 plus 19 is equal to 35. Now what is done over here is I have taken 5 common. There's 5 over here and there's 5 over here. So I've kept that 5 outside the bracket and I've written x plus y equals to 35. This 5, which is multiplied now, goes on the other side, gets divided, and I will get 5 1s are 5 and 5 7s are 35. Therefore, my correct answer is 7. Next one, if 4x plus y equals to 7 and x plus 4y equals to minus 2 are two linear equations, then find the value of x minus y. Now, whenever you are asked to find out x minus y, you need to keep in mind that you can write whichever equation you want first, but the second equation which you are writing, make sure that this y variable, okay, or the term is greater than the first one you're writing. Now, in this case, my y term is 1y. In this case, my y place is plus 4y. Which one is bigger? Definitely this one. So I will make sure that I write this equation second. Okay, so this would become 4x plus y is equal to 7 and x plus 4y equals to minus 2. Now since they have asked x minus y and here it is plus, so I'll have to change the sign throughout the equation. So positive becomes negative, positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive. After that, all I will do is subtract them. So 4 minus 1x will give me 3x, sign of the greater number which is positive. Here 1 minus 4y will give me 3y, sign of the greater number which is negative, equals to 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. And this would become 3 is kept common here, x minus y will remain as it is equal to 9. 3 goes on the other side, gets divided, so 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So my option, the answer is x minus y equals to 3. Fourth question, the solution of equation x plus 2y equals to 4 and 2x minus 3y equals to 1 is dash. Now, there are so many options over here. Now, I don't want you all to take these two equations, solve them by either elimination, cross multiplication or substitution method. That would be a very long way of solving this entire question, because solving them by either of these methods is going to take up almost 3 marks of your time, correct? But this question is asked for only for 1 mark. So why waste time solving that entire equation? I have seen so many times students have, for this 1 mark question, are taking this equation and this, finding x and y and wasting a lot of time. So all you have to do is write these equations like I have written over here. And even if you, without writing, if you can solve it in your head, good. But understand the method first. First I will write the equation and I will write, instead of x and y, put brackets so that I can write the answer. Now which answer will I write? Let me try substituting this one first. So I will, instead of first number is always x, then it is y. So I'll put, instead of x, 1, instead of y, 2. And I will check, is my left hand side equals to right hand side? So this would become 1 plus 2 to the 4. So 4 plus 1 equals to 5. 5 is equal to 4. Not possible. That means I don't even have to solve for the second one. This is definitely not the answer. Try the second one. So 2, 1. So if I try 2 and 1. Okay, so 2 plus 2 ones are 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4 equals to 4. For this equation, this is right. Now let me check over here as well, because it is a solution for both these equations, right? So both the equations should be satisfied. So I'll put 2 over here and I'll put 1 over here. So this would become 2 to the 4 minus 3, which would give me 1, and which is also equal to 1. That means my answer is 2, 1. Fifth one, if a digit in units place of a 2-digit number is 2x and the digit in the tens place is y, then the 2-digit number is dash. Your options are 2xy or 2x plus y or 2x plus 10y or 2 20x plus y. Now, if you don't know the difference between the word digit and the number, definitely you're not going to be able to solve this problem. But in case you still don't know, go in the description box. I've uploaded a video on word problems where I am explaining you the difference between a digit and a number. Check that out and you'll be able to solve it. But don't switch it over right now. I'll just try to give you an idea. If I have a number 78, now this is nothing but I have just kept two cards, which is one of 7, the other one of 8 together. This is not 78 mathematically. Okay, these are just two cards. One is of 7, the other one is of 8, kept together. If this has to become number 78, then it has to have some place, right? So 7 occupies the place of tens. This is units, tens, and then hundreds, thousand, and so on, right? So 7 occupies the place value of the tens. That's the reason this is 10 over here. And 8 occupies the place of ones. Now my number will become 10 into 7 is 70 plus 1 into 8 is 8. Total is 78. Now like that, in this question they are telling you that a 2-digit number, the units place is 2x. So units place is 2x. So this is my tens place and this is my ones place. So units place as in ones, right? So 2x. And the digit in the tens place is y. So this will become y over here. So this will become 10y plus 2x. So my option is here, 2x plus 10y. Sixth one, if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of a pair of linear equation 3x plus ay is equal to 6 and ax minus 2y is equal to 1, then a is dash. Your options are -3, 3, 6 and 9. So what is it telling you? X and y, these values, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is a solution for both these equations. So since it is a solution for both these equations, I need not solve both of them. I can solve only for one. So this would become, I'll write this equation as is equal to 1 minus 2y goes on the other side, becomes plus 2y. A will remain as it is upon a, which is multiplied by x, right? So x goes in the denominator. Now my value of x is 1 and value of y is 1. So I'll write it over here. 1 plus 2. Instead of y, I'll write 1 upon, instead of x, I'll write 1, which would become 1 plus 2 ones are 2 is 2. So 3 upon 1, 3 upon 1, which is equal to 3. So my solution is 3. Okay. Seventh one, ages of two persons 1 year ago were x and y. Hence their ages after 1 year will be dash years. Your options are x plus y plus 2, x plus y plus 3, or x plus y plus 4. Now I want you to solve this problem on your book and write the answer in the comment section of this video. You can try solving the problem. In case you don't know how to go about with this problem, I have already uploaded 3 videos on how word problems are solved. Check those videos out and you will be able to understand how to solve this problem. Once you have got the idea, you can comment the answer in the comment section. Okay, that's to answer fill in the blanks for a pair of linear equations in two variables is clear. Please try solving more and more problems from the question papers of Goa board, and if you want any more questions from my side, do send an email to me. My email is in the description box. Write to me and I will make sure that I send you some more problems. Thank you very much and God bless.